The lockout or penalty mode on the SR1 lasts for 5 minutes and is activated when the user logs in incorrectly 4 or more times. What happens is that the buttons stop working completely and the keypad will sit and emit a beep every 3 seconds for the next 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the keypad will reset and it can be used normally again, but until that time it won't accept any input whatsoever. Additionally, removing the batteries during the lockout period simply stops the countdown of the 5-minute timer. Putting the batteries back in again starts the timer back up. So removing the batteries and letting them sit outside the keypad will not fix a lockout condition on the SR1. Let's watch. Okay, there's an incorrect code entry. Let's go ahead and enter it a few more times until we can get the keypad to go into the lockout mode. Well, there it is. And now it's going to sit and beep every 3 seconds or so for the next 5 minutes. After that time, the keypad will restore itself and it can be used normally. But until then, nothing you can do will actually stop the lockout mode.